The 2025 Shanghai Auto Show introduced the Jetour Zongheng G700 Special Edition. Jetour set up an independent booth at the Shanghai Auto Show to introduce its full range of products. All new products focused on luxury plus electric hybrid plus off-road. Jetour Zongheng collaborated with two modification factories on the scene to showcase two special edition models: the Zongheng G700 Top Fire Co-Creation Edition and the Zongheng G700 Super Boundary Co-Creation Edition. The G700 Super Landing Co-Creation Edition adopts the cyber technology style with a more comprehensive and three-dimensional overall visual, and is positioned as a cyber technology electric hybrid off-road SUV. Developed on the basis of the G700, the vehicle has become even more futuristic with the addition of special kits. The rigid square box design uses a lot of square and straight lines, and the shape is quite rigid. The front of the car has a solid structure, while the matrix-type intelligent control lighting group combines Chinese square aesthetics and intelligent lighting language. The lighting group and the center grille are completely wrapped in a rectangular frame, presenting a crazy atmosphere full of technology. The center grille features the illuminated Jetour logo. The body shows a road-ready stance with a short front overhang and a long rear overhang. The front fender is equipped with the Jetour Zongheng exclusive logo, and the door handles use a traditional mechanical style. It is equipped with all-terrain tires, a two-color body, and a sturdy luggage rack, which perfectly combines luxury and off-road character. Looking at the dimensions of the new car, the length, width and height values are 5198/2050/1936 mm. The wheelbase is 3,100 mm, and the ground clearance is high. The rear of the car does not use too many complicated lines, and is simply drawn with straighter lines. The external spare tire also enhances the vehicle's adaptability to nature. When we look at the interior, the new car has a vertical and horizontal-inspired cockpit with a screen over 77 inches. The cockpit has a symmetrical design, with a large-sized central control screen in the middle, integrated with smart connection functions and equipped with physical buttons for easy operation. The rectangular steering wheel with rounded corners has a very unique design, and there are many control buttons and knobs on the center armrest. The car will be equipped with the Falcon driving support solution. Positioned as a large SUV, the exhibited vehicle has a six-person layout, and the materials used in the cabin are not crazy. But on the contrary, it offers a strong technological and homely atmosphere. The new car is equipped with the Kunpeng Super Hybrid CDMO system, equipped with a 2.0T longitudinal hybrid special engine with 45.5% thermal efficiency, 560 kilowatts total system power and 795 Nm total torque. In addition, the new 2DHT hybrid special transmission and off-road 800 V4C double-layer Shanghai battery, 1300 MPa hot-formed steel protection resistant to scratches and collisions, IP68 diving level waterproofing 96 times the national standard, and 30 to 80% charging in 10 minutes. The official said that the range of the vehicle with full fuel and full power will reach 1,400 kilometers. In terms of chassis, the new car uses a non-load-bearing body. The vehicle has an all-terrain mode, a two-speed low-speed four-wheel drive system, and a triple lock system on the road. It combines 900 mm water fording capability with IP68 level engine waterproofing, achieving ultra-high fording capability. It is equipped with an off-road constant temperature strategy package and intelligent escape logic to ensure escape capability in extreme scenarios. Zongheng G700 Top Fire Co-Creation Edition is positioned as an all-around performance electric hybrid off-road SUV, and has a warrior aesthetic design. It says that Jetour can be used on the street or in the wilderness, and can seamlessly transition between highway cruising and wilderness conquest. Its design style is also more geared towards extreme off-road. Zongheng G900, positioned as an ultra-luxury amphibious electric hybrid off-road SUV equipped with original civilian dual amphibious technology, has been introduced. It is equipped with Chery's own Amphibious Special 800V high-voltage navigation drive system, and its maximum thrust is 2500 N. The cabin is IP68 waterproof, and the underwater parts are treated with ship-grade anti-rust treatment. Zongheng F700 is introduced as an all-terrain luxury electric hybrid off-road truck. Adopting the Kunpeng Super Hybrid CDMO system, the vehicle has a towing capacity of 3.5 tons and also has extended configurations such as intelligent trailer mode and anti-skid function.